Ouch! Nabilok ako.
Sabi ko, wag mong pipicture ako.
Oo. Bakit?
Ayoko.
Di ba, Liz, tatago na lang kita. Di ba, blackout ka na?
You rub this. You rub. You rub this.
And then? And then, we will use the pointillism here.
Wow.
So where? In this side, listen. The more that
Smile.
you put, the more your drawing will be dark or
Ay, paliw.